Look at these channels, hundreds of thousands of views, subscribers going up every single week, and most of them started just a few months ago. This niche has only just started blowing up, and almost nobody is doing it properly yet. So today I'm going to show you exactly how to make a video like this one completely free. The song, the images, the video, all of it, and I'll show you how to monetize it too. I made this entire music video without paying for anything. A 1950s American college campus, an original song, 10 scenes, all AI. Everything we use today is free. But there's one point in the middle where most people give up because they run out of credits and assume that's the end of it. It isn't. I found a way around it, and it costs nothing. You just have to follow the process exactly the way I show you. Better tools could appear tomorrow, so if you don't want to miss them, subscribe and leave a like. We start with the song. Open any AI chat. I'm using Claude, but ChatGPT, Gemini, or Grok all work the same way. Ask it for song lyrics about whatever era or story you want. In my case, a 1950s American college. Friday night, campus lights, a dance at the hotel ballroom. Ask for a verse, a chorus, and an outro. And this is what we get. Now open Treblo. Click Create. Choose custom lyrics and paste in the lyrics we just made. Scroll up, and here we set the style and the tone we want. If you're not sure what to pick, leave it on auto tags and the platform decides for you. Scroll down again and choose the duration, minimum or maximum, like this. Then hit Generate. After a while, two versions of the song are ready. Both generated with the same settings. Play them both and keep the one you prefer. I'm going with the second one. So the song is done and it hasn't cost us a single credit. The video is the part that gets expensive, and that's exactly what I'll show you how to get for free. Next, go back to Claude or any AI you want to use. Paste in this prompt. And pay attention to what I'm doing here, because this is the part that matters. I've broken the lyrics into 10 separate scenes, each one with its own duration based on the song. And I'm asking only for the image prompts first. Not the video prompts yet, just the images. Then hit Enter. I'll leave every prompt I used today down in the comments, so you don't have to type any of this yourself. And here's everything we get back. The overall environment and vibe, the character reference lock, so the same faces show up in every single scene, and the image prompt for all 10 scenes. Now head over to Google Flow. First, make sure you're in agent mode by clicking Agent here. Then set the aspect ratio to 16:9. Paste in the complete prompt from the previous step. And one more thing, ask the agent to generate the character images as well, so it can reuse them across every scene. That's what keeps the same person looking like the same person all the way through. Review it, then hit Enter. The agent takes a while to process all of the images. Once it's finished, all our images are ready to use. Go through them and change anything you're not happy with. Now this is the part I promised you at the start. Google Flow gives us 50 free credits every single day. 10 scenes like the ones in this video cost 150 credits. So we don't pay anything. We just spread it across 3 days. 50 today, 50 tomorrow, 50 the day after, and the video is finished, completely free. If you don't want to wait, you can pay for it, but you don't have to. And if you're making one of these a week, 3 days is nothing. Back to Claude. This time we ask for the video prompts for all the scenes. And here they are. For all 10, copy everything. Head over to Google Flow again and paste all the video prompts into the agent, like this. Check the prompts and the durations one more time, then hit Enter. The agent analyzes everything and tells us what it's going to cost. In this case, 150 credits for 10 scenes. Review it and approve, and it starts generating all of the videos because this is a bulk generation. You'll sometimes get an error like this one. Don't worry about it. Just retry exactly the way the agent suggests, and it carries on. Review all the generated videos, and when you're happy with them, download all of them. Now open CapCut. Import all the video files and drop them onto the timeline below. Then import the song and drop that onto the timeline too. From here, it's just small adjustments, lining the clips up so the cuts land with the music. Finally, add any effects and transitions you want, and hit export. Before I show you the finished video, one last thing, because I promised it at the beginning, monetization. The song we made in Treblo is ours to use. As long as we generated it ourselves from an original prompt and didn't copy an existing song, we can use it commercially with no copyright claims. The same goes for everything we generated in Flow. So this video belongs to you. Put it on YouTube, on TikTok, on Instagram. This niche is wide open right now. And every prompt I used today, the lyrics, the images, and the videos, is down in the comments. copy them, and start with your own era. The 50s, the 80s, whatever you want. If you want the next one, leave a like and subscribe, because I'm making one of these every week. Now here's the complete video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
Books on the table, dreams in the air, laughing with my buddies, not a single care. Bell rings at 4, we're ready to fly, chasing little moments beneath the evening sky. It's Friday night, campus lights are shining bright. To the hotel ballroom, swing and sway, jukebox plays till the break of day. Twist and smile, hearts feel free. That's the college life for me. Tomorrow brings another class, but tonight we're making memories last. Rock and roll